In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send multiple photos on Gmail. First, open Gmail in your browser and click Compose in the top left. This opens a new message window with a clean space for your text and a handy toolbar running along the bottom. If you want to attach your photos as files, click the paperclip icon on that bottom toolbar. A file window will pop up. Navigate to the folder that holds your images, then hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on a Mac. While you click each photo you want to include, if the photos are listed in a row, you can also use Shift to select a range in one go. When you confirm your selection, Gmail starts uploading them. You'll see thumbnails appear near the bottom of the Compose window, along with a quick progress indicator. You can keep typing your message while they finish uploading. And your selected photos will all be included together as traditional attachments. Here is also a faster, more visual option. If your photos are already on your desktop or in a folder, select multiple images directly there again, using Ctrl or Command to pick more than one and drag them into the body of the email. When you hover over the Compose window, you'll see a drop area highlight. Release the mouse and Gmail will upload everything at once. This feels especially smooth when you are working with a lot of pictures and don't want to open a separate file window. Now, if you prefer your photos to appear inside the text of your message instead of as separate attachments, look for the Insert Photo icon on the bottom toolbar. It looks like a small square with mountains. Click it, place your cursor where you want the images to show, and choose your photos in the window that appears. They'll be inserted right in line with your text, so the reader can see them as they scroll. You can press Enter to add space before or after an image, and continue typing around it to add captions or explanations. Multi-select works here too, so you can insert several photos at once in the order you choose. To recap, you can add multiple photos by using the paperclip to attach files, by dragging and dropping them straight into the email, or by inserting them inline so they appear within your message. Pick the method that matches how you want your recipient to see the images. Thanks for watching.